Hello guys, in this video I am gonna be showing you how to use this amazing AI tool that I recently found out. The link for Pictory will be in my description, so after you have signed up you will be brought to this page. The website has tutorials to watch just in case you forgot something. So let's start. For the article section you can either paste an article or type one yourself. For my case I will just paste an article that I found interesting. Now you have a couple of options for which theme you want to use. This looks nice, I'll use it. It will take a minute to load, but it shouldn't take too much. After it has loaded, you will have a couple of ways to customize your video. Let's change the audio. I like this one more, so I'll use it. For voiceovers you have a lot of options, but they all do pretty much the same.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion.
I will just keep the default one. Here you can change the clips that will be put on your video. Make sure to preview your video and change some if you don't like them. I don't like this one, so I'll change it. You can change the text size, font, etc. You can also edit what the text says if you want to make some small changes. But here is the problem: with the free version you can only make videos up to 10 minutes, so I will have to remove some scenes. So after you are ready, click Generate. It will take a couple of minutes depending on how big your video is. So after it's done you can download it, copy link, or export text. For article to video you want to paste the link of the article. It's now gonna generate keywords. You can highlight the text by left clicking on it. So once you are done, move on. Once again, select a theme you like. When you are done, you can customize your video just like the script one. So when you are done, generate, and it's the same again. For editing videos with subtitles you will have to paste the YouTube video link. Choose number of speakers, for me 1 is fine. After it's done, it's pretty much all set, but if you want to make some small changes, on the right you can choose the subtitles theme, and on the left you can edit the text like this. You don't really have much to customize, so just click Generate. And for the visual to video I will just use 3 pictures. Once again, choose which one you like. So now I will show you how you can put some text on really quick. Definitely put some background colors so the text is more visible. When you are ready, go generate and you're done. So that will be it for the videos. If you are interested in this AI tool, I recommend you to buy a version, since the free version only lets you make 3 videos, and it won't benefit you that much. If you want to buy a version, use my link and promo code in the description to get 20% off. So till the next video. See ya.